I can really say that saying no is not problematic. You can say at any time you want to. And saying no is not a typical Indian thing. People say no. And we are the ones who don't say no. If I don't belong to anyone, I would say rather that me, myself, I haven't said no to anyone. I don't know why.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching me. This is Kamal's Corner. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I create vlogs, normal routines and facts about human activities and many funny vlogs with my BFFs. Please check it out in my blogs. We have it on my short of this video. And today I will speak something very important to you all. That is one of the major, crucial art of a human activity, which people don't use it at all. People don't say it loud because this is a no. It's carrying negative effect or negative, the consequences are going to be negative. No. People say no. Actually, people don't say no. People say yes to everything, every freaking thing. And no is two alphabets, N and O. And if you don't speak that, then why are you existing in this planet? Saying no can be delusional, can be difficult. But if you're not interested and if you say yes, that is more going to be critical. That is more going to be making a sort of damage in your lifestyle. And people say yes to everything. Half of the people say yes. In my surroundings, I have seen so much of people, and people means including every gender. A work which is given to you and you are not at all interested, people say yes. And that is the reason why people hate themselves at a certain point of time. Believe me, I was the one who say yes to everyone. And this pandemic situation taught me that how to say a no. And that is actually very caring and kind to say no. Because if you admit it, you are not knowing anything and you don't know how to do it, if you don't have any freaking idea that how this work is going to be or what are these consequences, simply say a no. Okay, this doesn't affect your life, that doesn't affect a person's character, that doesn't affect a person's delusional lifestyle for having a background. You have to simply say a no, nothing else. People asking me so much things. I ask people so much things. I assist people. They say yes. But if you don't know anything, it's kind of an easy thing to say no. And why do you say no? Why do people say yes? Why do you don't say no to anything? Saying 100 times yes uninterestingly and saying one no interestingly makes a difference. It makes a freaking difference, and you have to listen that. If you don't have any good sort of work, if you don't keeping on doing something very professional or kind of a very working lifestyle, you don't have to say yes to everything comes at your way. Yes, for hard work, I see, for hard work, for going step by step, for growing, for doing so much, you have to say yes. I understand that, but that's it. After that, where is the vibe? Where is that zeal of coming that nowhere's come from? If you're not agreeing to me, then please comment on the box. How do you agree for saying no? The art of saying no is simply a very maternal effect on our body, on our lifestyle. If someone asks you, hey, just go and do that walk. No, I can't do. Somehow, at some point, it becomes a matter of self-respect, ego, or maybe something else. I agree to that, sort of, because your respect, your character is one of the hell character in the society, and you try to maintain it as much as you can. But that doesn't mean you have to say yes to everything. In society, there are many things. Those who are those things don't carry any value for us. But we say to participate, we say to initialize, we say to take initiatives on this. But we don't see that effect on our lifestyle as much as we can. Saying no is important because that doesn't mean you avoid work. That doesn't mean you are not interested. That doesn't mean that you are not in the mood to work out, or not in a mood to, kind of go away, or just simply have us say no. That means that you are actually having this critical stage at point of life where you actually feel that this is the time to say no, and you say no. Because at the end of this day, your decision is the final decision. If you will say yes to everything, accepting things will be pretty difficult for you. I'm saying this because in this pandemic situation, I have been accepting everything. I have been trying out a lot of things in my life. But the only thing where I say no, it means that I cannot do that. I sort of try at first, but this lockdown made me that to say no at first of the step. Like when someone asks me that, hey, just come on now, we'll do something. And no, I cannot. I am pretty busy in my stuff. I cannot. No, I cannot do that. That is a simply no you have to say when you are not in the mood, you are not in the arena of working, you are not in the arena of expounding over some strangers, you are not in the arena of talking to someone. You should say no. It matters in work, it matters in office, it matters in places, public places, it matters every freaking where. It matters in hospitals, it matters in malls, it matters in several internet threats, it matters in cyber threats, it matters in phishing, it matters in banks, it matters in every freaking where. Someone asks you, someone says you, it matters of everything. You respect them, but that doesn't mean that you know everything in front of them. You have to be somehow in some stage you will not have a particular idea of what you are actually doing, and then you realize I have to say no to some people at one time, and you say no. It's easy, it's pretty easy, and believe me, after saying no, the feeling you get, it's like the Indian Army. There's a position in this whole society where you stand in front of other people, but I freaking don't care about other opinion if that doesn't matters to me professionally. If personally, I don't give a damn. The thing is, you have a certain priority, have a certain respect for someone or in front of someone in the society, and if you don't kind of think that, and you kind of reciprocate those things in proper to say a yes to everything they ask for, then you are wrong. Believe me, I said yes to everything on my way, and I'm kind of realizing this now, that I was false, I was wrong, I was in a dilemma. I kind of a black hole where the information goes and comes and mixes and just passes it away, and then like I don't know that where from it is coming back to me again, and that's how it's pretty difficult for me. As I think it's the best way to say no. Believe me, it's the best way to say no. So wherever you go, wherever you are seeing this video, if saying no is not your priority, make a priority, and don't freaking forget to say a no when you are not at all interested to do that sort of thing. That doesn't mean the concern, that means you are not ready, or you may be at a certain situation where you don't give a damn mood to do that particular work, and say no. It's a difficult thing, but you think after saying that no, you will feel that. I felt that. I literally felt that this saying no is pretty easy, and you have to do that once, and after that you mean to say that. I mean, it's amazing. It's one of the hell feeling of saying a no to someone where the situation that doesn't matters to you. I think I cleared my point, I guess. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit like button and comment if you are agreeing to me, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's cross 500 this time. Like this month I'm craving for 500. Please let me help and please let me support and kind of please give me some support to reach 500. Please, I have this first like a milestone to crack this, and I have to crack this. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. DM or you can comment for any sort of content you want to, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye bye. Signing off, Kamal's Corner.